Have you ever woken up and felt like your body is not ready? Cold hands, numb feet, a little dizzy. Many people think that this is a sign of aging, but in fact, it mostly comes from slowing blood circulation. As we pass 60, our blood vessels are no longer as flexible as before. Blood moves slower, the heart has to work harder, and as a result, we feel tired and lethargic. But here's the great thing, just 5 minutes a day, you can wake up your circulatory system. No equipment, no trainer, just you, a quiet space, and some gentle movements. The exercise I'm about to share is recommended by physical therapists for older adults. It not only helps blood circulation, but also helps reduce swelling, improve memory, and sleep more deeply. Before we get started, subscribe to the Wellness Roots Journey channel, like, and share this video, because you deserve a healthy, energetic body, at any age. Our heart is a tireless machine, pumping blood 100,000 times a day. But after age 60, that machine isn't as smooth as it used to be. Blood vessels start to stiffen, reducing the ability to transport oxygen and nutrients. When circulation is poor, the body not only feels tired, but also increases the risk of stroke, high blood pressure, and memory loss. The good news is, simple movements can make a big difference. A Harvard study found that people who stretched for 5 minutes every morning had 25% better circulation, a more stable heart rate, and less numbness in their limbs. That's because every time you stretch, blood is forced back to the heart, like you're helping it pump more efficiently. Think of this exercise as a natural coffee for your blood vessels, a gentle wake-up call, no caffeine, just the right movement. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Slowly roll your shoulders back, slowly, deeply, and in a circular motion. Feel the heaviness melt away from your shoulder muscles. Repeat 10 times back, then 10 times forward. Then, tilt your head to the left, hold for 5 seconds, then to the right. Gently bend your head forward, feeling the back of your neck stretch. This exercise helps to widen the blood vessels in your neck and shoulders, where blood passes to the brain. It also reduces pressure on the cervical spine, a major cause of headaches and dizziness in older people. After 1 minute, you will feel your head lighter, as if you have just awakened your brain. Remember to breathe slowly, inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. This is not an exercise, but a light conversation between you and your body. Many people don't realize that the ankles are the pumps that help blood return to the heart. When you sit for a long time, blood pools in the feet, causing numbness, swelling, or cold feet. Now, sit down, lift one leg, and rotate your ankle clockwise 15 times, then counterclockwise. Switch legs. Feel the muscles around your ankles move slightly, like water starting to flow more strongly. This is an extremely important movement for those who don't walk much. It helps prevent blood from pooling, reducing the risk of varicose veins and night cramps. If you feel a little squeaky, don't worry, in a few days, your ankles will become more flexible. And with good circulation, you'll feel warmer, lighter, and sleep more deeply at night. Stand facing the wall, place both hands on top, one leg in front, one leg behind. Straighten the back leg, heel touching the floor, lean forward slightly until you feel a slight stretch in the calf. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Inhale deeply, exhale evenly. This movement is extremely important because the calf muscles are the second heart of the body. Each time they stretch, they help push blood back to the heart, avoiding stagnation in the lower limbs. Especially effective if you have swollen feet or sit for a long time. You can practice even while watching TV or waiting for morning tea to be made. In just 2 minutes, you will feel your legs gradually warm up, your heart rate even, and your spirit more excited. Raise your arms out to the side, keeping them at shoulder level, and rotate them in small circles, slowly. Start with small circles, then gradually expand. Feel a gentle stretch in your arms, shoulders, and chest. Do 10 forward circles, then 10 backward circles. Next, make a fist, and rotate your wrists, 15 on each side. These small movements may seem insignificant to you, but they actually open up the capillaries around your wrists and elbows, which tend to stiffen as we age. If you've ever felt cold or numb hands when writing or using your phone, this is a natural medicine that helps bring blood and oxygen back to your fingertips. In just 1 minute, your hands will feel warm, a great sign that your circulation is working more efficiently. Stand up straight, inhale deeply through your nose, and raise your arms above your head. Hold for 2 seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth, lowering your arms. Repeat 5 times. It sounds simple, but deep breathing is the engine of blood circulation. When we inhale deeply, the diaphragm lowers, helping blood from the abdomen return to the heart. When we exhale, the heart has more space to pump harder. Many studies in Europe show that just 5 minutes of deep breathing every morning can reduce the risk of high blood pressure in the elderly by 20%. Therefore, do not underestimate this exercise. It is like fueling the heart and lungs before starting a new day. If possible, listen to some soft music while breathing. The combination of rhythm and breathing relaxes the mind, reducing stress, the enemy of blood vessels. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart. Place your right hand on your hip, raise your left arm over your head and lean to the right. Hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Feel the stretch in your waist and hips, as if your blood is opened up to circulate more strongly. When you stretch your torso, the muscles in your hips, especially your pelvic floor muscles, are activated, helping blood move easily from your legs to your heart. Most older people experience numbness in their legs when sitting for long periods of time because this area of the hips is closed. Regular practice of horizontal stretching will not only improve your circulation but also reduce back pain, improve posture and balance. After just a few times, you will feel lighter every time you walk. Keep your back straight, and lean lightly on a table or chair if you need to keep your balance. Lift your right knee up to hip level, lower it, then switch sides. Do 10 reps per leg. Take your time, feel the movement. As you lift your leg, your thigh and glute muscles contract, helping to pump blood up to your heart. This is a great exercise for people with poor circulation or swollen feet. Do it for 1 minute every morning and you will notice your legs feeling less heavy, your heart rate will be more steady, and you may even feel more alert as blood flows to your brain. Remember, every time you lift your knee, you are giving yourself a boost. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, then slowly bend forward, touching your knees or the floor, if you are more flexible. Hold for 10 seconds, then slowly stand up. Bending forward helps the blood rush to your head, stimulating your central nervous system and improving circulation to your brain. If you feel dizzy, slow down, or stop at knee level. Feel a gentle stretch spread across your back and thighs. This is a sign that your blood vessels are dilating. This movement also helps relieve back pain and increases spinal flexibility, important for maintaining balance and preventing falls after 60. Think of it as a connection ritual between your body and your breath. Place your hands on your hips and rotate your hips slowly in circles, 10 times clockwise, then counterclockwise. Don't force your body, just rotate within your comfort limits. This movement helps increase blood flow to the abdomen and lower back, which can become stagnant when sitting for long periods of time. When your hips are flexible, you can walk more easily, reducing pressure on your knees and spine. Physical therapists call this the insurance movement for healthy aging, because it maintains the flow of blood from the heart to the legs and back again. Just 60 seconds a day can prevent a host of circulatory problems. Now, combine all of the above movements, shoulders, neck, arms, hips, legs, and breath, into a seamless 5-minute sequence. Stand up straight, take a deep breath, roll your shoulders, then move on to your neck, wrists, hips, and finally your calves. Do it sequentially, not quickly. You are waking up your body, each layer of blood, each breath. When you're done, you'll feel warmer, your heart rate will be more even, and your mind will be clear as if you've just meditated. If you do it in the morning, you'll feel energized all day. If you do it before bed, you'll find your sleep is deeper because your body has been de-stressed. After 7 days of persistence, you will start to notice the changes. Your feet will no longer be cold when you sleep, your shoulders and neck will be less stiff, and most importantly, you will feel truly alive. Many people share that with just 5 minutes every morning, they will feel their heart beat more regularly, their spirits will be more optimistic, and their sleep will become more peaceful at night. All thanks to better blood circulation, the flow of life energy. Don't be surprised if your skin becomes brighter, or your memory improves, because when the blood is rich in oxygen, every organ blooms accordingly. Always warm up gently, don't rush. If you have heart disease or high blood pressure, consult your doctor before starting. No need to force your body, just move smoothly, breathe properly, and listen to the feeling. You can divide the exercise into 2 times/day, 3 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes in the evening. The most important thing is to maintain it regularly. Because after 60, the miracle does not come from strong exercise, but from perseverance and love for your own body. Now you know, with just 5 minutes a day, you can wake up your circulation, improve your cardiovascular system, and regain your youthful vitality. Challenge yourself, do it for 14 days, then come back here and share your feelings in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. If this video was helpful, please hit like, thumbs up, subscribe to Wellness Roots Journey, and share so that more people can learn about this simple but effective secret. Because sometimes, health doesn't need anything complicated, just 5 minutes and self-care. See you in the next video, where we continue our journey to live healthy, live deeply, and live every heartbeat.